Okay, let's see if you're able to do this on your own. First things first, you need your formula. It is b equals y minus the slope times the x. I'm going to label my x and my y, and I already have my m. So now I'm just plugging in numbers into this formula. I have all the numbers except for b. Y is 4 minus parentheses, parentheses. M is 3. X is negative 2. Now I'm just doing the math. 4 minus. Now just bring down one parentheses. I'm multiplying 3 and negative 2 to get negative 6. Simplifying again, minus minus becomes plus. So the b value is 10. How did you do? Let's see for practice problem 2. Hopefully this one right. I'm going to write the formula. To find b, I take the y, I subtract the slope times the x. I'm going to label x, y. Plugging in numbers for all these letters. So instead of y, I put a 5 in its place, minus, parentheses, parentheses. What's my m value? Negative 4. What's my x? 2. Bring down the 5 and the minus, just one parentheses, multiplying. Negative 4 and 2 is negative 8. Simplifying, the minus minus is a plus. 5 and 8 is 13. The y-intercept, the b, the initial value is 13. Remember, those all mean the same thing. 2 more practice problems, then it'll be time for the exit ticket.